I put on some pants, so we're all good. So this is actually our 4th travel day in a row. We weren't planning on it. We were in a pretty good spot in New Mexico called The Box, but out of nowhere we woke up and we're like, you know what? We're done with New Mexico. We've been here for like 3 weeks. Let's get to Arizona. When we get to Arizona, there's the forest fire, so we had to go to Walmart late at night. And then we got to another spot yesterday near the Petrified Forest, but the signal was just very bad and we couldn't do it. We're digital nomads, not just nomads. We need that signal. So hopefully at the spot that we're going to now, we check the coverage map. It should be LTE, should be good signal. It's off the highway, shouldn't be too much driving, and hopefully we can stay there for a little bit before we go to the Grand Canyon. Oh, it's a motel. Oh, this is the they copied. This is the inspiration, remember? Geronimo!
On our way to Flagstaff, we stopped at this gift shop called Geronimo to find a placemat for our table. Needless to say, there were a lot of cool trinkets here.
$3,600 for this one. It's only about an inch thick, but it's so smooth.
Just outside the gift shop, the world's largest petrified tree is in the parking lot, and you can see it for free. Then we were back on the road, headed to the next spot in Coconino National Forest. Once again, the desert started to turn into a forest as we got closer to the mountains.
We finally found a spot in the Coconino National Forest just outside of Flagstaff, and we've already been here for 3 nights, surrounded by the forest. In all directions, we have good views and everything. Is really nice stay. It's a little chilly. It's like almost like in the 30s, the high 30s at night. We're trying to get somewhere warm, so we're just gonna go down about 40 minutes, drive down to Sedona, and over there it's like 80s right now and 60s at night. It's just crazy how the weather changes so fast when you're in the mountains or forests. We just got a little bit of travel day stuff. We're gonna get some propane, dump some water, get some more water, and then head over there. Hopefully we can find a good spot. It's in another forest, and hopefully there's sun so we can charge, because we did run out of battery one time. That was just random. I kind of forgot to check on it.
We left Flagstaff and started driving south to Sedona, Arizona. We were ready to go to warmer temperatures because we'd had enough of 30-degree nights. Surprisingly, the drive from Flagstaff to Sedona was one of the prettiest drives we've done. There were several narrow switchbacks and tons of trees and red rock that made for a beautiful scenic backdrop. Once we got into town, we realized Sedona was easily one of the best looking places we've been. Just 10 minutes south, and we were at our new campsite.
Yeah, look at me. I'm in my underwear. Give me my pants. Jail's giving me some pants. I put on some pants, so we're all good.
Literally last night I was playing around with the camera, taking it apart, getting all the cards, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna put it back just to make sure that if something happens, I can always just reach for it and grab it and start recording. Next thing you know, Jayla's waking me up. There's hot air balloons. I look out and then there's one literally about to land on our RV. Always have your camera ready. Yeah, that one just landed straight into the road. It was like drifting. Today is Monday and it's a very quiet morning compared to yesterday. It's 8 o'clock right now and barely anyone's out. Yesterday it was 6:30 a.m. and there was a huge groups of people looking at the hot air balloons. So it's a pretty nice contrast. It's so quiet, it's too quiet. Right now we're at the Coconino National Forest on the south side, 10 minutes south of Sedona, Arizona. And today we're going to Grand Canyon National Park. We've been at this campsite for about 6 nights now and it's been really nice. We haven't really done much, just been working and just working on our projects, but still getting a chance just to relax and enjoy the nature. We will be doing some hikes at Grand Canyon. I'm very excited for that. We've been there twice already, but both times we just kind of looked around or didn't have too much time to do stuff, but I really want to hike the Grand Canyon.
Sedona has to be one of the most beautiful cities that we've driven through. It feels like Springdale, Utah, but much bigger, and there's just so many more trees and the red rocks and the mountains around it. Just wow, we were so impressed.
What do you want from me?
Talk.
I'm trying to pay attention to the road.
What do you think of Sedona?
I like it. I want to come back maybe without the RV. Well, actually, I don't care. I definitely want to come back and just like walk that main strip. And getting the hot air balloon. There you have it.
There you have it. She wants to walk the strip and go on a hot air balloon.